This is Clare Valley Moto. Welcome to the review bath. Today we have the Moto-Cred bike stand. Let's assemble it. Right, for starters, I need you to find your most masculine scissors you can out of your mum's drawer and open up the box. So let's do that. And big reveal. Hey look, a motorbike stand. Comes with the bits you're going to put your bobbins on. Don't know the technical name. Rubber guards. There's your metal bits. So that will hook up under your bobbins to lift your bike up. It has a R on it. I'm assuming it means right. So I'm going to put it on the left hand side. Right. It doesn't come with any instructions, so we will be guessing and hoping we get it right. I'm assuming the logo goes upwards. Now folks, if you're doing this in your bathtub, don't lose these little pieces down your drain hole. That would be very bad. Now, you don't have any more, you haven't actually stick out, so we might try that. So once you have it more or less screwed together, if yours comes with a tool, let me know. Mine didn't, to do these up. Otherwise, there's just a hex. It should be like a hex key. I'll tighten these up before I use it on my bike. Now you have these. So these will go on your motorbike bobbins. They're just at your rear wheel. If you don't have any, you can just get them and screw them into your. This Moto-Cred stand has somewhat adjustable ones, so you slide them in, and then it's just a tension screw, so that'll tighten it up and it can't move. And then obviously adjust it to where your bike sits so it can fit your bobbins. So I'll just chuck these in. There we go, there is the Moto-Cred bike stand in a bath.
The Moto-Cred bike stand design. Does it do its job? Look, given this is my first rear bike stand, I would say it does do its job. Although it was quite simplified, that isn't necessarily a bad thing. So we're giving this one 5 out of 5 rubber duckies on a trud. At $131.25, is this a value for money? I would say yes. It's not the cheapest rear bike stand you can get, but it's definitely not the most expensive, and you can pick it up from the local store from Peter Stevens if you're in Adelaide. So as far as value for money, I would say I got what I paid for, if not some more. So we're going to go 4 out of 5 for this one. I'm a little bit salty about not getting an Allen wrench, so that's why I got 4. Now let's cut to the business. Is this bike stand really bath friendly? I struggled a lot with the assembly. I dropped the screws multiple times. An Allen wrench might have helped there. As far as assembly in the bath, it does fit in the bath. It wasn't a claustrophobic issue. It just really did not suit fitting in the bath. So we're going 1 out of 5 rubber duckies for is it bathtub friendly? And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and follow on for more bath time reviews.